yummy.
There's some yummy bratwurst cooking right there.
Yes.
Camping, having fun. We're cooking. I am making bratwurst right there.
There's
As
other
you can
people in
see.
the same spot we're in. That's what we're...
Over the fire, camping. Got our tent. We are getting our tent set. Okay, Jonathan. Memorial
Then I get
Day.
the latest one.
You wanna get in, man? We're camping. And it's a rainy day. But we're making
did
it.
you just do the selfie?
No, not when it's raining, my love.
Oh, yes, you may be. You're cooking on
There's
fire.
it. Yeah, we're cooking on fire. We're cooking some bratwurst. I grilled them first, then they were cooking too fast. Like charring on the outside, as you can see. Then I put water in the pan to cook the inside of them. Okay, it is raining, but we made it. With the canopy, we are setting. I'm cooking these bratwurst. I grilled them first, and they were charring up. So I had to put them in the pan so they cook inside.
We're ready for the lantern, ain't we?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
I think so.
All right. We are having fun. Cooking. Yeah. Okay. Don't go in the rain.
Okay. We don't know what you're gonna do.
Yum.
Yes,
We are
you
cooking.
can ask.
You're taking a video, right?
Yeah, I am.
Look how good this looks like. We're cooking some yellow rice mixed with kale. And we've got sausages ready over there.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yes, sir. Yum.
Okay, come out of the rain, baby.
I'm not in the rain.
All right.
Now, yum. Yum.
Real good food right here.
Where's the meat? Put the meat in. There's all that meat there. He's not eating the meat.
I'm gonna eat some soon.
Okay. As you can see, this is the next day of our camping trip for Memorial Weekend. And this was fun. It was raining. Memorial Day was raining, but we had so much fun. I was so surprised that I enjoyed that we even scheduled another camping trip. But the whole time we were camping, it was raining. We went to sleep, it was pouring rain, and we had to cut our camping trip a day short because of the rain. But we had so much fun. I mean, camping is fun.